In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bar styles in Microsoft Project. If you want your Gantt chart to be clearer, more readable, or aligned with your reporting standards, customizing bar styles is a quick win. We'll look at how to change the style for entire categories of bars, apply a predefined look in one click, format a single bar, and add text around bars for extra context. I'm using the desktop app, and everything happens in a Gantt chart view. First, make sure you're in a Gantt chart or tracking Gantt view, so the chart and its bars are visible. To change the style for all bars of a specific type, go to the Format tab on the ribbon and choose Bar Styles. You can also right-click in an empty area of the chart, not on a bar, and select Bar Styles from the menu. In the Bar Styles dialog, scroll the list to find the bar category you want to modify, such as Task, Milestone, or Summary. Select it, then open the Bars tab at the bottom. Here you can set the start, middle, and end shapes, pick colors, and choose patterns. Click OK to apply your choices across that entire category. A quick note: some categories, like milestones, only offer a start shape rather than a full bar body, so you'll see fewer options, and that's expected. If you need a fast visual refresh without tweaking individual settings, stay on the Format tab and look for the Gantt chart style group. Choose one of the predefined styles to instantly update the overall look and color scheme of all bars. This is great for quick consistency or preparing a chart for a presentation. When you want to change just one specific bar without affecting the rest, simply double-click that bar in the chart. The Format Bar dialog opens, letting you set colors, shapes, and patterns for the start, middle, and end of that single bar. Click OK, and only that bar updates. Keep in mind that formatting a single bar overrides the general style for that bar type, which can be helpful for highlighting key tasks. You can also add useful text around bars to make the chart more informative. Open Bar Styles again from the Format tab, select the bar type you want, and switch to the Text tab. In the left, right, top, bottom, and inside columns, pick the fields you want to display, such as task name, percent complete, start, or finish. Click OK to apply. For example, showing the task name to the right and percent complete inside the bar can improve readability without clutter. That's it. Clean, consistent, and clear bar styles in just a few clicks.